reckon school shoes?
No, I haven't seen that.
Keep the toys and that. Skid up! That was pretty good. Go out. Christian's got a sleep. He sleeps with it.
this is how you get yourself in the game if you want to do it. And this is where they're beating us. And look at the opportunities. I can show you multiple clearances where it's like this. Go back again. I want you to watch it.
Watch us turn to the lines.
You want to get yourself in the game, do that. Do that. Test.
Tommy Sparrow. Anyone knows Tommy Sparrow at the ground? Oh yeah. His chase, his tackle. Brilliant, Tom. Leading the way. Alright, 6.5 as a forward. Okay, it's brilliant. Okay?
We've got to win. We've got to be in front.
I didn't realise boys was like that.
Hey boys, just in terms of what we're starting to value, okay, it's coming out big time. The first 5 weeks, every time you made a mistake, was disappointment, was frustration, there was so many mistakes tonight, but you just kept playing, alright? And your ability to adjust at half time, just this year, okay? We on the board how hard you've got to work to get what we want in the game. I just wanted to keep going for the whole game. Okay? You've got to stay playing the game. Okay, we haven't won one of these for the whole year. Okay, so someone got to tick off as a group. But we keep playing the whole way out. Right, but we are building belief. And boys, I'm telling you, there's so much potential here and where we're going. Right, you should feel it and see it in the trust you're starting to have with one another. Right, it's really exciting. It's unlimited in the potential that you've got. Right? Just to Paul, mate, thanks for everything the last 24 hours. Alright, obviously the way you spoke yesterday, and there's no way we can compare footy to war, but how you were able to play your sport to our sport and bring it to life, mate. It was so brilliant. So from all of us at the MSC, thank you so much. Paul for his reflection reflections on the game and pick out a player that he thought typified. Been a great team, mate. All right, over to you.
Well, thank you, I appreciate it. Yeah, it's been a great experience over the last 2 days to speak to you and then do that tonight. But what I noticed, there's a person that sort of really worked hard for the team, for the people around him, sort of tenacity, defended a lot, and a lot of those smaller moments that make up, you know, a part of a good win. So for me, it was number 32, Tom Sparrow.
Wait, what am I? Hold on a second.
When you say subscribe,
Well, I'm just going to subscribe. Jesus. Hold on, have I even said subscribe? Okay.